Jai Jagannath, Om Sri Surya Namah. So friends, today I have come to visit the Konark Sun Temple, which is located in Konark, only 45 kilometers away from the Puri Jagannath Temple. So let's see the view and explore together me. So I am going to explore inside the temple Konark, which is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage. Thank you so much and explore together me. Thank you so much.
So from this way I am going towards the Konark Sun Temple entry gate number 1, which is a very unique way to go and very neat and clean, just like we can observe how it's clean and decorated very well with the so many natural plants and trees and decorated very well. So finally I also visited the Konark Sun Temple and reached on 29 June in 2025 and I got a awesome experience here. So this is about the movie regarding the Konark Sun Temple history and a story about the everything we can know about in this place. And this is the view of the ticket counter that we have to purchase my ticket here. So already I purchased my ticket, so let's see the view of the purchase ticket. And I paid 40 rupees through offline, and even anybody who want to purchase through online scanner, anyone can also purchase from there. So I am going slowly towards the temples, and that I am feeling so awesome here. So I cannot say that how I am feeling awesome here after visiting the Konark Sun Temple. I am getting the good atmosphere and very good experience here in Konark Sun Temple. Many tourists and publics who all are coming here to visit this Konark Sun Temple at the morning, because morning time is good to visit. And this is the entry gate, and from the entry gate I am going to enter into the temple complex. So look, entry gate number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the another entry gate is also there. So this is the I enter into the temple complex, how its unique sculpture made here we can see, and many tour guiders are also guiding to here many tourists here. So I am going through these stairs to above the Konark Sun Temple. So let's see. So I want to say something about traveling, that traveling is important like Konark Sun Temple because it offers numerous personal and social and cultural benefits which can reduce our stress, enhance creativity and foster a development understanding of different culture. So it's also personal growth, the creation lasting memories and strengthening of bonds with loved ones. And the sculpture of the Konark Sun temples are important for their artistic, historic and religious significance we can observe here. So the showcase of Kalinga architecture and sculpture depicting scenes from daily life and many more things regarding the also the mythology and all religious practices including the erotic arts, all within the framework of a chariot dedicated to sun god Surya.
Sun Temple, which I am exploring right now. So we can see the Konark Sun Temple, which is made by the stone in different unique style. How it is made here, we can see the different sculpture is there on the wall, and so many idols, a statue of the different god and goddess that is built in the different unique style. Jai Jagannath ji. So let's explore together with me. So I am feeling so awesome here because it is one of the best experience which I got here. So this is the view of the Konark Sun Temple. So explore together with me, and still I am exploring many places in Konark Sun Temple. Thank you so much. Jai Sri Jagannath, Om Surya Namah.
The Konark Sun Temple, which is built in Kalinga style architecture by King Narasimha Deva, one of Eastern Ganga dynasty about 1250 AD or in 13th century. So the temple's imposing structure visible from the sea earned its name Black Pagoda and served as the navigation landmark for the sailors. Due to this reason is known as the Black Pagoda. So Konark Sun Temple is renowned for its depiction of a chariot for sun god Surya with 24 wheels, and the 7 horses are there. So wheels which is clearly visible from the here. As per my knowledge, I learn about that the Konark Sun Temple is pilgrimage site during the Chandrabhaj Mela and the annual Konark Dan festival celebrate classical Indian dance forms at the time that is quite popular there. So we can see that how the sculpture are still clearly visible from the here. So the sculpture at Konark Sun Temple represent a high point in Indian art categorized by intricate carvings, details, depictions of various subjects and a harmonious blend of architectural and sculpture elements that is clearly visible from the here. So many temples and the another monuments that also I have to visit, because the next there is a one temple is also there that I am going.
Konark, where I came exploring right now. This is the view of the Konark Sun Temple. So I am feeling so awesome because this is my first experience here. I came here to visit the Konark Sun Temple, and really it's a very unique sculpture and monument is here. Jai Sri Raghunath Om Suryaya Namah. So let's explore together. Thank you so much.
I want to say something from the Konark Sun Temple that studies have shown that travel can lead to increased happiness, reduce anxiety and move positive outlook on life, and stepping outside of one's comfort zone while traveling to a greatest understanding of oneself and build confidence in navigating new situations. So because of this reason, traveling is important for everyone, that we have to travel at least our each and every natural site and monuments and ancient temples of India, which is very important for children also to gain the knowledge. So the wheel of Konark Sun Temple, which depicted on the reverse side of the Indian currency note of 10 rupees that we can see, which is clearly visible from the here. The wheel on the 10 rupees, which is printed on the back side of the Mahatma Gandhi photograph on 10 rupees. So it's very good things.
So hello friends, this is the view of the Chhaya Devi temple, which is dedicated to goddess Chhaya, who was a wife of Lord Sun and mother of Sunny Dev. So Om Shri Suryaya Namah, Jai Shri Sunny Dev, Jai Shri Mata Chhaya.
So from this way I am going inside the Chhaya Devi temple. So let's see, this is the description about the Chhaya Devi temple, and I am going towards inside the temple. So we know about the Chhaya Devi temple, which is located towards the southwest corner of the Konark temples in compounds, and this Chhaya Devi temple, which is dedicated to the wife of sun god Surya, whose name was Chhaya Devi, who had one son also, Sunny Dev, as we know. We know about that Sunny Dev, who was a son of goddess Mata Chhaya and Lord Sun Surya. So this temple is also built in and belongs to the 11th century AD, which also sometimes known as Maya Devi temple. So the architecture sculpture of this temple is also so unique, similar to the Konark Sun temple, because it is built here in the same Konark Sun temple complex along with the same time. So this is the Chhaya Devi temple. ओम सूर्याय नमः, हरि कृष्णाय नमः, ओम श्री रामाभ्याय नमः, ओम श्री कृष्ण प्रभुपत्याय नमः, महालक्ष्मीभ्याय नमः. So it's very wonder experience. I am going to explain about the temple's exterior walls of features numerous sculpture of couples in various stages of intimacy, including sexual acts. So the Konark Sun temples also erotic sculptures based on Kama Sutra, which was authored by Varsayan, who was an ancient Indian Sanskrit philosopher who lived during 2nd or 3rd century AD, probably in Patliputra, Magad. So through both are the parts of a broader cultural context that viewed sex and love of auspicious and natural parts of the human life. So Kama Sutra, which was written during a period when Indian society was relatively open about Kama, which also represent both aspects of the human life and relationship, which is also sculpted in groups of Khajuraho temple also, which is clearly visible from the here. Because of when anybody is going to visit the Khajuraho temple and Konark Sun temple, so tour guide is also explaining in details about this Kama. So right now I came here, so take it that in positive way. So right now I am just came here under the banyan tree, which is clearly visible, which is very beautiful tree. And that I am also going to take the seat here under this tree because I love sustainable life, sustainable trees. Let's see how it is the unique trees it is that, because the banyan tree and people tree, which is also a species and religious tree in our religion, which is also a national tree of India. So because I love this tree and I am going to sit under this tree. The places I am going to visit every ancient temples, monuments and historical places and famous temple. So I have a diary and I am writing regarding the each and every places at that place. So right now I am writing about the Konark Sun Temple, the history, ancient history of the Konark Sun Temple. So let's see. I am writing and the time right now is 3 p.m. and I am exploring a lot and get lots of information regarding the Konark Sun Temple. That is a can't I forget ever in my life. So I want to say something about traveling and visiting to the Konark Sun Temple to everybody. If anybody will get a chance to explore many ancient temples in India, so please must visit. And it's my humble request to complete the each and every monuments. At least we can also visit the ancient monuments and temples nearby our hometown also, that is close from there. So it's my humble request to everybody. And this is the view of the market nearby Konark Sun Temple. So finally I came out from the Konark Sun Temple and I am returning from here after 5 hours. So this is the view. We can also get so many wooden things which is made by here with wood, like many things we can observe and see. And really it's a very beautiful market. So something must be, you have to purchase something from here for our memory regarding the Konarks and Puri. So let's see how some things which is made by wood, like fan, some camel toys and another objects also, and coconut is also here. Anybody who want to drink the coconut drink water, they can drink, and many unique things they are selling. And a small restaurant Tafri are also located here, and many wooden things, prasadam and idols of the god. Thank you so much.